Good evening. I wanted to start off with a look at kind of the long term for our low temperatures, because a big story in the coming days is the fact it's simply going to be frigid outside. So for tonight, for tomorrow night, temperatures falling to the 20s. This is something that's pretty reasonable for this time of year. Tuesday, we're looking at 22 degrees, but check out the low for Wednesday morning. So this is Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. 10 degrees. We're going to have places that are in the single digits at that point. Thursday morning, absolutely frigid as well in the teens. And then by Friday morning, it's back to 28. What's our normal this time of year? Well, that'll be just right at the freezing point of 32 degrees through the whole next 7 days below average temperatures. Well, what about our afternoon highs? Well, we're going to see the same thing. Our average high this time of year would be 51 degrees. We're certainly going to be below that. Tomorrow, Sunday, your high only 38. Tuesday of next week, a high temperature of only 30 degrees and then 31 on Wednesday. So that means the potential, particularly for Chattanooga, some valley spots, 2 days in a row staying below freezing. Some of our higher elevations, northern areas, you make it 3 days in a row staying below freezing. And then 42 degrees by Thursday afternoon and 39 on Friday. Of course, we also have the snow chances as well. So I already went over the temperatures. That's in the what we know category. It will be very cold Monday through Wednesday, near or below freezing. Wednesday morning, the coldest, those low temperatures ranging from 3 to 10 degrees. That's it. Also, we know there is a chance of snow on Monday and Tuesday. What we don't know, what there's still questions about, is the exact timing or amount of that snow. Why is that still in question? Well, because of the location of what we'll call our moisture plume, where the greatest precipitation potential is. And the transition zone from the snow to the freezing rain is still changing. So that exact location is still wobbling a bit north and south. And I'm going to show you that with our future cast. So for overnight tonight, we're going to have this trough that dips through. It could bring us a couple of spitting snowflakes for areas north of Chattanooga, and maybe a couple of sprinkles. No impact at all there. The biggest thing is just our wind tomorrow will be coming from the northwest. So that's why tomorrow will be colder with your highs only in the 30s. Now, let's look ahead to your tomorrow afternoon. We start to see some clouds filtering in, and then by tomorrow night, a few flakes of snow, especially into Monday morning. Here comes that burst. This is that moisture plume that I'm talking about. Notice this diagonal line. This could still shift slightly north or slightly to the south, which will have big impacts on road conditions and snowfall. Monday evening, a little bit of that wintry mix comes back into play until Tuesday morning. And then by Tuesday midday, this is out of here. Here comes that really cold air for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So right now, this is what we're looking at for that snowfall potential. You're going to notice the greatest totals for our northern communities, 3, 4, 5 inches possible, about that 1 to 2 inch line around Chattanooga. Please check back in for updates for this, because this could still be changing. As far as tomorrow, though, do know that you're going to get a nice mix of sun and clouds, 38 for your high temperature. Monday and Tuesday, though, those are going to be storm alert weather days. We certainly want you to watch out for that, the cold and that snow.